try to play, but you're never gonna be.
The legend of Lamborghini continues, and it's more electrifying than ever. Meet the Lamborghini Temerario, the all-new hybrid supercar that replaces the iconic Huracán. Dressed in raging red, it's a stunning fusion of raw performance, Italian passion, and cutting-edge hybrid power. From the front, the Temerario is pure aggression. The angular LED headlights cut through the air like laser blades, flanking a sculpted nose that channels Lamborghini's signature design language. Massive air intakes dominate the bumper, feeding both the engine and electric systems with precision airflow. The sharp creases, low stance, and bold proportions make it unmistakably a raging bull. Move to the rear, and the Temerario becomes even wilder. The thin Y-shaped taillights stretch across an open, muscular tail section. The massive diffuser and center-mounted exhausts emphasize aerodynamics and power. A fully active rear wing adjusts automatically for downforce, part of the hybrid system's intelligent performance setup. Everything screams speed, power, and control. From the side, the silhouette is low and sculpted, with aerodynamic fins, massive wheels, and that classic Lamborghini wedge profile. The red bodywork glows under the light, accentuating every curve and crease. The hybrid badge hints at what lies beneath, a new era of power without compromise. Inside, the Temerario is a fighter jet for the road. A digital cockpit surrounds the driver with sharp graphics, carbon fiber, and Alcantara. The steering wheel integrates drive modes, including a new hybrid-specific setting that balances electric efficiency and V10 performance. The interior feels mechanical, yet futuristic, a perfect blend of emotion and precision. Under the hood, Lamborghini has redefined power. The Temerario pairs a new V10 hybrid system with electric assistance for instant response and over 900 horsepower. It's lighter, faster, and more efficient than ever, offering blistering acceleration and a top speed that rivals its V12 big brother. The Lamborghini Temerario is not just a replacement, it's a revolution. Red, ruthless, and electrified, it represents the next chapter of pure Italian performance. The future of the supercar has a new name, and it's Temerario.